great to see everybody back in action and getting to do some fun things.
We're here at the top of Lion's Head. It's absolutely beautiful today. You can feel the fall weather coming in. The aspens are turning, and just enjoying this hike. Hiking with all of our patients that enjoy the summer activities. Hopefully gonna make it to the top of this mountain here soon, if my legs hold out.
I had my surgery, right knee done like 14 months ago. Berry Picker is my favorite hike in the whole world.
I too am a triathlete, and I'm grateful to be able to continue to do those.
Well, I tell the potential patients that you are so much better once you have the surgery. I'm actually stronger than I was when I was in pain and bone on bone.
Thanks to all of you for everything you do and getting these people back.
Congratulations.